Lesson number 2, explanation. First of all, we will learn how to write numbers in words. 1. 4028. That is 4028. Write 4 in the thousands place. Now we must write the digits in the hundreds, tens and units places too. The given number has no hundreds, so we write a 0 in the hundreds place. 28 has 2 tens and 8 units, so we write 2 in the tens place and 8 in the units place. 2. 5309, which is 5309. In this number, there is 5 in the thousands place and 3 in the hundreds place. There are no tens, so we write 0 in the tens place. We write 9 in the units place. When writing a 4-digit number in figures, we first write the digit in the thousands place, then we write the proper digit from 0 to 9 in the hundreds, tens and units places in that order. Introducing 5-digit numbers. Reshma. Which is the biggest 4-digit number? Sachin. 9999. Nargis. Which is the next number? Tai. Let's work that out. When we add 1 to a number, we get the next number. Now we'll do the addition 9999 plus 1 in vertical arrangement. 9 units and 1 unit make 10 units. That gives 1 10 to carry over. Write that in the tens place. 9 tens plus 1 tens make 10 tens. That gives 100 to carry over. Write that in the hundreds place. 900 plus 100 make 10 hundreds. 10 hundredths is 1000. Write that 1000 in the thousands place. We get 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 in the thousands place. So this number is 10,000. We make a new 10,000s place for it on the left of the thousands place. We call it 10,000 place. Reading and writing 5-digit numbers. Look at the 5-digit number below. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. This number can be read as 110,000,3578. But to make it easier, we read it as 13,578. That is, we read the digits in the 10,000s and thousands places together. Numbers in words and figures. 1. 62,037, which is 62,000 is equal to 60,000 plus 2,000. It means that here we have 6 10,000s and 2,000s. This number has no hundreds, so we write 0 in the hundreds place. 2. 70,206. 70,000 is 7 10,000s. There are no more thousands in this number. There are no tens either, so we write 0 in the thousands and tens places. 3. 30,001. Here, 30,000 is 3 10,000s. Besides these, there are no thousands or hundreds or tens in this number, so we write 0 in all those places. The expanded form of a number. Hamid. Could we write the number 5,324 as an addition or in the expanded form? Tai. We have to learn to write the expanded form of 3-digit number. Let's write the expanded form of a 4 or 5-digit number in the same way. Sharat. 5,324 means 5,300, 2 tens and 4 units. Mary. It means that the expanded form of 5324 is 5,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 4. Type. Now write the expanded form of the 5-digit number 23375. Sharat. 23375 means 2 10,000, 3,000, 300, 7 tens and 5 units. The expanded form is 23,375, which is 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 5. Place value. Type. Let's play a game. I'll say a number. You give the expanded form of that number. The number is 55,555. Dhruv. 50,000 plus 5,000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 5. Priyanka. That's funny. There's 5 in every place in the number, but its value is different in each place. Type. The place of a digit determines the value of a digit. Tell me the place value of each of the digits in the number 37842. Dhruv. Let me tell. 3 TTH is 3,000, which is 30,000. 7 TH, 7,000. 8H is 800. 40 is 40. 2U is 2. The different breakups of a number. Type. We write the number 125 as 125 in figures. That is, 125 is a sign or symbol used for the number 125. But we can break up this number in different ways. Gauri. Different ways? How? Type. Now, Gauri, suppose you have to give your friend 123 rupees and all you have is a whole lot of 1 rupee coins. How will you do it? Gauri. I'll give her 125 1 rupee coins. Type. So, the number 125 means 125 units. Sudhir. Suppose you have several 10 rupee notes and some 1 rupee coins. You have to give rupees 125. How will you do it? Sudhir. I will give 12 10 rupee notes and 5 1 rupee coins. So according to the notes and coins, I give 125 means 12 tens and 5 units. Type. That's right. Ajit. Suppose you have 100 rupee notes, 10 rupee notes and some 1 rupee coins. You have to give rupees 125. How will you do it? Ajit. I shall give 100 rupee note, 2 10 rupee notes and 5 1 rupee coins. Here 125 means 100, 2 tens and 5 units. Type. So the number 125 can have 3 different breakups. 125 is equal to 125 units. 125 is equal to 12 tens, 5 units. 125 is equal to 100, 2 tens, 5 units. Now can you tell the different breakups of the number 4083? Sudhir. One of the breakup is 4083 units. Ajit. Another breakup is 408 tens and 3 units. Mallika. Still another breakup is 40, 8 tens and 3 units. Gauri. And yet another breakup is way 4,000, 0, 8 tens and 3 units. Type. Thus we can have several different breakups of the same number. The numbers just before and after a given number. Mary. Nandu, can you tell the number just after 120? Nandu. 121. Mary. Now tell the number just after 1999. Nandu. I can't tell. Type. Remember, the number just after any number is greater by 1 and the number just before it is smaller than 1. Nandu. Yes. So if I add 1 to 1999, I will get the next number. 1999 plus 1 is equal to 2000. Also, the number just before 1999 is 1998. Comparing numbers. Type. What do you remember about comparing numbers? Nandu. Any 3-digit number is bigger than any 2-digit number. Priya. And if both numbers have 3 digits, then the one with the bigger hundreds digit is the bigger number. Sai. So now, how will we compare numbers will be smaller than any 4-digit number? Priya. Any 3-digit number will be smaller than any 4-digit number. Nandu. If both numbers have 4 digits, the number with the bigger thousands digit will be the bigger number if the 1000 digits are equal. Look at the tens digits to determine the smaller and bigger number. For example, 4567 is greater